Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 60. Ji Xiao suddenly wake up with a shock. She was still sweating because of her dreams. Well, it turns out she was dreaming and nothing happened at all. Ji Xiao said, "This is it. It turns out to be." I was dreaming. She suddenly sit up in the midnight and realized it's only a dream. She think about wasting you. When she woke up, as we can see on the last chapter, we thought it's really true that there is Wei seeing you on her side. But it turns out, she was only dreaming. On her dreams, Wei seeing you leans toward her. She hugged her, and Wei seeing you said to her, "Do you want me to come?" She was blushing on that time. She really thinks it was B. Now, she's getting crazy on her dreams. Look at her face. It was turning red. It's like a red roses. Well. Things might gone crazy, right? Still, I would actually have such a dream about her. As to this point, she was still thinking about her dreams. Well, it's really good if this came true, but sadly, it's really not. Back to her senses, she only said, "What a shame." And she looked at her bed sheets. What do you think, guys? Why she looked under her sheets? She suddenly stand up. It was getting crazier. That her bed is wet. She actually peed on her bed when she has a dream like that. Guys, it's really crazy, right? Now she really shy to herself. This might be the worst. If everyone knows this, they will laugh at her. But now, she really needs to fix this. On the midnight, look at her. I can't see anyone anymore. The quilt and the sheets are all wet. Oh my god. She really fixing her things now. What do you think, guys? Is she gonna wash dish or not? Good girl, Ji Xiao. She actually washing the quilt and sheets on the midnight. Well, to rescue herself for embarrassment, she really needs to wash on. So no one's gonna know. Well, let's hope this. Now she really thinks I am a majestic young lady. I actually had to do laundry secretly in the middle of the night. Well, well, well. You can do it. For now, let's save yourself for embarrassment. She shoutings on whatever on her dreams. However, why do I have that kind of heartache feeling? Well, she was still empty. She remember everything. Well, if every one of you suddenly dreaming about like that, of course you will feel heartache when you suddenly woke up. On her dreams, she was in the clouds. But right now, she feels so embarrassed and she went on her bed. Now, she was actually curious on what happened to the female villain Ji Xiao in the original book. As we can see, she was only transmigrated to this world when the original Ji Xiao in the book gone. Now, she's texting or what? What do you think, guys? Is she going to contact Wei Xing Yu or she was asking her friend? Now, she was searching on the group chat. Yuan Si, what is this guy doing? She clicked the link that Wan Si sent to her. What is it? What is the link all about? Maybe some gossip again. It turns out, her picture with Wei Xing Yu on the campus when they are holding hands together. Some in the group chat gossiping and praising about them. Well, well, well. They vote in the two hot seat again. Now Jisha was blushing. Me and Wei Xing Yu's piano ensemble. It was actually recorded. Well, who do you think's recording it? We can see it on the last chapter. Well, they didn't really show it. Maybe some of the bystander take a picture of them. And then, their group photo suddenly pop up. The one with Wei Xing Yu, they are both holding her hands. Now, this is really gonna be a hot topic for them. It's clearly we can see that photo. Ji Xiao and Wei Xing Yu is holding their hands. And it was posted on Weibo. There are some good comments, some of gossips, and something envied. People are pointing out they are holding hands in the photo together with a matching bracelet. Don't change your name if your TOEFL score is less than 100. No, I am Lovelorn, my new goddess. Well, both of them has a good standing, both high grades. That's why everyone would envy them. On the sports day, their photo was also puffed out. There was also a sports day and they are hugging on them. Now everyone thinks the CP is real. It's absolutely real. They being fair together. Another commenter said, she was the audience on that time, but she regret it so much that she didn't notice it. Well, you need to be alert. So now you are complaining about it. Well, it's really good that all of the comments are good. As Ji Xiao continue reading the Weibo, everyone is praising them and giving them a cheer up. So it's a good chance. Well, let's hope for this. Hey guys, there is a part 2. Just wait for it a little. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!